Et salut à tous, c'est Kenzo et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le 16e épisode du let's play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Donc dans l'épisode précédent on avait braqué la station de tramway de Saint-Denis qui nous avait été conseillé par Angelo Bronte, donc le mec qui est extrêmement riche, qui est vraiment peut-être le mec le plus influent dans la ville, qui dirige quasiment la ville. Bah, il nous a arnaqué, voilà, il nous a arnaqué. Il nous a envoyé, je sais pas, une centaine de flics sur nous. On a dû se battre, on s'est barré par le tramway. On a tué, allez, facile, je dirais, presque 80 flics facile. Hein. On a fait un carnage dans cette ville. Donc là, je vais les retrouver voir Aigle qui vole. Donc c'est un Indien d'Amérique qui a des problèmes du coup avec tous les businessmen qui essaient de s'implanter en Amérique, qui veulent plus de territoire. Et donc là en fait le Cornwall il veut s'installer sur le territoire des Indiens d'Amérique. Mais sauf qu'ils avaient fait un traité pour éviter ce genre de dérangement, sauf qu'il a été rompu maintenant. Donc là on va essayer de régler ce problème.
You came.
Of course I came. Said I would.
There's a foreman. His name is Danbury. There's the files in the office above the refinery room. It's that window with the blind drawn up.
I see it.
If the files are as incriminating as we believe, Mr. Cornwall's men will destroy them if they know you're coming.
There's only one of me, son. I don't intend for them to know I'm coming. What will the files say?
There'll be a report from Leyland Oil Development Company.
You got the money?
Yes?
Any ideas how I sneak into this place?
You could crawl under the fence or hide in a wagon. They keep rolling in.
I'll go take a look.
If there's a problem, call for me.
I thought the whole point was that this had nothing to do with you.
Ideally.
Ok, alors, il y a un chariot, mais là ce que je voudrais c'est changer mes armes. On va prendre Carabine Evans et fusil à pompe, dépêche. Voilà, comme ça on est bien armé. Parfait, bon, on va. Je crois qu'on n'est même pas obligé de passer par le chariot. Vraiment, le jeu nous laisse liberté, mais on va passer par le chariot parce que c'est plus sûr à mon avis. Allez, on active la vue cinéma. Oh, c'est magnifique. Le jeu est d'une beauté aussi. Mais même quand il fait sombre et qu'on voit rien, je trouve ça beau en fait. Bon, on s'était déjà infiltré une fois pour voler un chariot de pétrole dans cet endroit pour un braquage de train.
Yep, supposed to meet the early train to Saint-Denis.
Okay. Better get a move on then.
Oh là là, en plus avec la pluie et tout. Dommage que ce jeu n'ait pas de ray tracing. S'il avait du ray tracing. Après, on voit déjà avec GTA 6. Hein. Avec GTA 6, le ray tracing, les gars, est juste. C'est juste complètement fou le ray tracing dans GTA 6. Déjà, je trouve que dans GTA 5, pour voir qu'il a été rajouté et tout, que vraiment c'est un jeu qui a été bien retaffé. Je trouve qu'il est bien fait sur GTA 5, mais sur GTA 6, sur trailer 2. Oh là là, quoi, mais sérieusement. Déjà que je trouvais le jeu magnifique sur le premier trailer, mais là, depuis qu'ils ont sorti le deuxième trailer, du Rockstar quoi. Vraiment depuis GTA 4, niveau graphique, Rockstar ils sont vraiment ils sont vraiment les boss quoi. Au graphisme. On passe en infiltration. Oh. On va essayer de tuer le moins de personnes possible. Dire que ce jeu il va bientôt avoir 7 ans quoi. Qu'à l'époque où il est sorti GTA 5 il avait même pas 5, avait à peine 5 ans quoi. C'est complètement fou de voir comment Comment le temps est passé vite depuis ce Red Dead Redemption 2 du côté de Rockstar. Vraiment, vous, dans les commentaires, je vais vous poser une question. Vous pensez que quand Red Dead Redemption 2 est sorti, vous pensez que GTA 6 allait sortir quand? Moi, personnellement, je voyais 2020. Je voyais 2020 à l'époque. Mais bon, après, on va dire que j'avais pas la même réflexion à l'époque et que je m'y connaissais beaucoup moins en développement de jeux vidéo. Si je serais en 2018, j'aurais dû définir une date pour la sortie de GTA 6, j'aurais mis, allez, 2023 ou 2024.
You must be Danbury.
Who?
Quieten yourself, friend. This won't take long.
Oui, on va... Ça va très bien se passer, monsieur Danbury. Voilà, on commence déjà par passer par-dessus le bureau.
Yes.
I need some papers, my friend. Nothing important. A file. I'm from head office.
You're not from head office?
À ton avis, je viens d'où?
Seem important right now.
No.
Need a file by the Leland Oil Development Company. The one about the oil near Wapiti.
I...
Danbury. Think
Oh là là, c'est beau ça.
simple thing to lose,
Comment il est malmené.
especially over such a nice floor as this.
It's here. It's here.
Pas mal la montre, je pourrais la prendre aussi. T'inquiète, je veux juste le dossier en finale. Ah, je peux la prendre la montre si je veux. Bah, je vais la prendre, hein. Faut de l'argent en plus. Parce que le dernier braquage là dans la station pour gagner 15 $.
Promotion for this. No, Danbury.
Danbury? Danbury, you okay?
Tell the guard you're fine.
Yes. It's just... I'm working. All's fine.
Now stay quiet. Or head office will send me back to get you.
Allez. On part par la fenêtre.
Hey, hold it right there! Weapons on the ground and hands in the air.
Easy now, fellas.
Now, we won't tell you again.
Wouh!
I'm good.
Il est où cet enfoiré? Avec le qui vole là. Oh, la musique là aussi elle est mythique, elles sont toutes mythiques les musiques en fait dans ce chapitre. Saute. Wow. Trop mal. Et maintenant je peux faire ça. Je peux utiliser comme slow motion maintenant, on le 100 fois. Oh la musique.
Get the documents.
Yeah, but we need to get the hell out of here.
Follow me. They're coming after us.
Ah, c'est dans le trailer de gameplay numéro 2.
Shoot them.
Allez. Qui veut sa balle dans la tête?
We need to look. I don't see any more.
That explosion came just in time.
I was happy to watch some of that oil burn. So you met Mr. Danbury?
Yes, don't worry, he was very obliging. I thought you wasn't getting involved.
thought you were gonna enter and leave silently.
Thank you. You saved my life.
Thank you. I hope. Well, I don't know what I hope. But who knows? Maybe these will be of some use. Here's your money.
Ah, merci.
Thank you.
$125 en plus, hein, bah c'est bien. Bon allez, maintenant les gars, on va aller voir Dutch. On va voir qu'est-ce qu'il a prévu pour se faire bronter là, cet enfoiré. Je l'avais bien mise à l'envers. Alors, où est-ce qu'il se cache alors? Le hall. Il n'y a pas les... Mais je crois que j'ai pas encore exploré le lieu pour me téléporter dans le bayou. Bon, c'est pas grave. Voilà, Caligo Hall, c'est ce qui est le plus proche. C'est pas vraiment l'endroit auquel je m'imaginais, mais bon. Pas grave, on va faire un peu de... Je vais faire un peu de trajet avec mon cheval, c'est comme ça va augmenter mon lien d'affection avec lui. C'est vrai que mon cheval il est rapide quoi. En vrai j'ai pas le temps là, j'aurais bien aimé négocier mais bon. Espèce d'abruti. Ah mais on est revenu au camp, mais les gars, je sais pas m'orienter sur cette map. Sur cette map, vraiment, j'étais à 5. Los Santos, je connais par cœur, mais ça, les gars, tu me mets là. Ah, mais ok, mais c'est au camp en fait qu'on va. Ah, ok. Ah, mais je me suis trompé, ok, non, mais. Non, mais je me suis trompé de mission, les gars, excusez-moi.
So, Arthur, you get the deciding vote.
About what?
We take an insult and scurry off like cockroaches? Or deal with business the right way?
We don't need to take revenge. We hardly know the guy.
This ain't about revenge, Hosea. Angelo Bronte don't mean shit to me. This is about the fact we are planning to rob a bank in his town.
A bank that he no doubt protects.
A town where his men are gunning for us. Before we do that, we need to put him out
I
of commission.
disagree. There's always an easier way.
There ain't no easier way. Now, I know his type. He is a vindictive little power broker who rules by fear. Now, we pull that stunt in his cesspit of a town, we're doomed. You want to leave this place? Leave this country? We need that money.
Just don't feel good, Dutch.
This is it. This is the last job that we are ever going to pull. Before the year is out, we are going to be harvesting mangoes in Tahiti. Farmers. But we need seed capital, and we need to leave. You know it. I know it.
Forgive me if I can't think too much about the mango harvest.
This is it. Trust me. Arthur.
If it's business, well, business is business.
Angelo Bronte stands between us and our future.
You'll damn us all.
Arthur, come on.
You better be right about this one.
I am.
I've heard that
Bon,
before.
j'ai hâte de voir c'est quoi le plan pour s'occuper de cet enfoiré de Bronte là.
Doubting Arthur, it does no favors. Come on, we need to go see a man about a boat. A boat? We're headed to a settlement called LeGras. I met a boatman there called Thomas who knows these waters like the back of his hand. Why do we need a boat? So we can attack Bronte's mansion from the swamp. Catch him off guard. He knows we survived the trolley station, so he'll be expecting some kind of reprisal. All right. No Okay, makes sense. See, I do still possess some capacity for rational thought, Arthur. Okay, follow me. Hold. Thank you.
For what?
For taking my side back there.
It ain't about sides.
Feels like Hosea's lost his spine.
This move on Bronte, is it for the bank job or revenge for what happened at the trolley station?
Both. Neither. What does it matter? We need to hit that bank. And Bronte has the police and just about everything else in Saint Denis in his back pocket. He also set us up. And lest we forget, took young Jack.
I understand. We just got a lot of pots on the boil, given all the folks who's out gunning for us.
You all seem to have forgotten how money is made and what it takes to support 20 people. Let alone what it takes to give 20 people a new life overseas.
With all due respect, Dutch, is this Tahiti plan really gonna work out?
You tell me, Arthur. Is it? Have some goddamn faith. I am bending over backwards to make a future for us.
I know, but
When did you become so small-minded?
C'est pas ce qu'il a le Dutch,
You'd
mais
rather we break up the family?
vraiment il lui a
Go
foutu
on
la haine, hein, ce
separate ways? Just tell me.
de Bronte.
Of course not. This isn't a prison camp. I am not forcing anybody to stay. So either we're in this together, working together to get out together, or we're not. There simply isn't a reality in which we do nothing and get everything. Anyway, here we are. Let me do the talking. Whoa! Thomas, it is good to see you, my friend.
hello, Mr. Dutch.
Thomas, have you met Arthur? Arthur, Thomas is quite the boatman. He's gonna help us get close to our prey. The other night we had quite the adventure fishing for catfish. Now, my friend, can I call in that favor?
What do you need?
You know Angelo Bronte. Well, exactly. We need to make a social call. We were hoping you could row us in quietly one evening around the back of his house.
Well, if anyone can, I can.
We'll pay you for your trouble.
If you bringing him trouble, it won't be no trouble for me.
Good.
My business partner, Jules, he's out on the skiff. I need to check with him. Plus, I need to check the traps. Would you come with me?
Of course. Arthur?
Why not?
Shouldn't take too long if we can find it. Be lively. Mind you, there's a lot of gators. Uncommon number. Big ones.
Great.
Come now, Arthur. It'll take more than a prehistoric reptile to scare you, Shirley.
I just want to see you meet your match when it comes to an aging predator with a big mouth, Dutch.
Arthur here is something of a comedian, Thomas. More of a jester than a gunslinger.
Well, if you say so, Mr. Dutch. This way. Come on, this way. Follow me here. And stay on the higher ground.
You call this ground? It feels like water to me.
Down here, we can't be too picky there, Mr. Arthur. Got a couple of crayfish traps up ahead. Mr. Dutch, you keep a lookout for company. Mr. Arthur.
Alors vraiment, moi, j'irai jamais là. Hein. Là, j'ai Yalo qui monte jusqu'au slip. Avec une eau qui mouille d'alligator et de serpent.
I got a few more set over this way. Come on.
I don't want to know what just touched my leg.
Mr. Dutch, you show you the right fellas to be going after Angelo Bronte?
Oh, he's much more the kind of reptile I can handle.
Now stay close. Make sure you follow my line.
Oh, I fully intend to, Thomas.
You too, Mr. Arthur.
You can see why evening swamp wading hasn't caught on as a pastime, can't you?
I love it out here. Peaceful. Nobody bothering you none. Except for the night folk sometimes.
The night folk?
Yep, some strange people around these parts. Wilder than the animals they are.
Well, this just gets better.
C'est quoi ce truc là qui passe? À ma gauche. Non mais là c'est abusé, regarde jusqu'où elle monte l'eau là.
Whoa. Stop where you are.
Putain.
Gator, just stay as still as you can.
Regarde un peu comment ça. Vous avez vu comment les gars, les alligators ça se déplace vite sur l'eau en plus. Le truc, tu tombes dans l'eau, il vient te choper direct quoi. T'as
I think we are all equally keen to find her.
même pas de temps. Même si t'as un flingue, bah c'est un peu la galère pour le dégainer. Oh, les lucioles est là qui brille. Oh là là.
Give me a hand here, Mr. Arthur. This trap is stuck in the mud. It happens.
Guess something didn't want to be caught.
My gosh. So it's true.
What is?
There's been talk of a big old bull, but people talk a lot of nonsense. I guess this was... No, but only something huge could do this.
Fantastic. Let's hope it bites you first, Dutch.
Should we just keep moving? I don't really want to hang around here much longer.
All right. I suppose this can wait. Let's go. Hold up.
Waouh. Famille de crocodile. J'aime pas comment il a ouvert la bouche celui de derrière.
My God, there's no shortage of them.
Good eating.
Us or them?
Exactly. Come on.
Mettre mon sens, comme ça on va les repérer beaucoup plus facilement, tout ce qui est animaux. Là-bas ça a l'air d'être tranquille ce qu'il y a.
Really should have run into Jules.
Ouais, il y a l'air d'avoir d'autres reptiles.
Now, I reckon we should split up so we can...
Oh non, je déteste me séparer.
Okay,
C'est le
Martin,
pire truc.
you appear so at home here, you take the right. We'll go left.
What?
Et en plus je suis le mec qui a abandonné, qui est solo quoi. Oh c'est abusé. J'espère que c'est là-bas que je vais le trouver le jeu là. Parce que moi ça me fera un collègue, j'ai pas envie de mourir seul. Hein. Quel enfer. Ils sont bien, ils sont mis tous les deux et tout, ils vont chercher ensemble. Et moi je suis tout seul. Comme d'hab. Ah, putain je peux aller plus vite, je me fais chier à marcher alors que vous pouvez courir. À courir vite fait quoi mais bon.
Hello? Hey! Someone there?
Il y a un truc là-bas. On commence vraiment à se rapprocher des arbres et tout, c'est encore pire. Fais gaffe derrière moi. Mais il m'attaque derrière, je pourrais jamais me défendre en fait. Mais non, même s'il y en a qui m'attaquent par en dessous, il me mord les jambes, il me les arrache, mais. Ok, je vois quelqu'un là-bas. Et bah, il a l'air d'être mort. En plus, là, là, je pense qu'aux alligators, mais il y a aussi les serpents, les gars, dont ils peuvent m'envoyer leur venin et ça peut être très dangereux, ça aussi. Putain, j'ai même pas ce que j'ai en plante, fais voir. Eh, ils sont pas encore connus. J'aimerais bien essayer de goûter une plante, mais bon, si elle me tue, je fais comment moi? Ouais, j'ai 4 plantes. Je sais même pas s'il y en a une qui pourrait me guérir une seule de mes. Une seule venaison. Ah, c'est chaud. Il a l'air d'être mort ce mec. Là-bas il y a un sanglier. Il y a des sangliers. En vrai je préfère les sangliers que les alligators. Et où? Ah, je croyais qu'il était mort mais en fait il est en vie. Je sais pas, il bougeait pas depuis tout à l'heure. Et comme par hasard, faut que j'aille aussi à l'endroit où il y a le plus gros alligator de l'histoire.
You must be Jules. Yes. Where is the boat? Over there. I ran. I got the skiff. It's over here. It's stuck. Got it loose. Jump.
Good man.
All right, let's get back to the dock.
Yes, please, let's go.
Thank God.
Voilà, on se tire.
So, who are these fellas, Thomas?
Two new friends of mine. I'll explain later.
Jules, we are very happy to have finally made your acquaintance.
I thought I was gonna be out here all night.
What you doing hiding up in the tree, boy?
This gator was huge, Thomas. Twice as big as I ever seen. Twice as angry, too.
Nonsense.
Wow.
I think we hit a tree stump.
Yeah, I thought we cleared. You gonna need to jump in and pull us free.
Me?
Yeah, just do it. Won't take you a minute, boy. Go on.
This is a bad idea.
We'll see any giant monster long before it gets anywhere near you. Got a couple of crack gunslingers here with their guns loaded. You'll be fine.
You didn't see the thing.
Yeah, neither did you. It's just a myth, Jules. Now pull. Pull, boy.
Jules? Shit. He won't kill. No, I'm going in. No, we can't lose the boat.
Bon, voilà ce qui arrive quand un alligator vient vous choper par en dessous. Allez, comme par hasard, c'est à moi d'y aller. Dutch, il se mouille même pas, lui, depuis tout à l'heure. Oh, il là-bas, vite. Par les deux revolvers, je passe en mode mitraille parce que là, ça rigole pas.
Come here, son.
Est-ce que mes sens peuvent m'aider?
Shit. Where'd he go?
Là.
I'm coming. Help me. Hold on. I got you, son. I got you.
Oh, God, no.
Oh, il lui a. Ça va, en vrai il aurait pu durer 2 fois plus méchant si vous voulez l'alligator. Putain. Couvre-moi. Oh putain il est là. Oh il voit le truc se rapprocher. Waouh. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait Dutch? Putain mais il me suit hein. Lâche pas le truc. Oh j'ai plus d'énergie. Ok ça va, il a vu qu'on était plusieurs, il a eu peur. Ok on va se le faire. Oh il est là-bas. Oh comment il est énorme. Wow, regardez la taille de sa mâchoire. Il a pas eu son compte. C'est bon.
I think he's going. Shit, that is one big old gate. Oh, your boy doesn't look too good there.
Here, take this. Try to stop the bleeding.
Allez on le soigne vite.
Okay, son.
Oh c'est chaud.
You're gonna be okay. Just thank your old Uncle Dutch. I heard that. There's still a lot of blood. You need to put pressure on it.
I've stopped the bleeding. I think he'll be okay. If he don't get a fever, we can bring down a fever.
A fever is the least of all.
Non, c'est quoi ça?
Look who's back.
Il veut pas mourir.
Put every bullet you got in here. He's under the water. Coming right.
Alors quand tu te prends autant de balles, il faut pas.
Shit! Don't let him get any closer. Okay, I think it's had enough.
Now, Jesus, can we get back now? You're gonna be okay, kid. Sorry, Jules. Guess all them stories was true. Big and mad. That's unusual. Normally the little ones are angry. Big ones is lazy.
Well, I guess he never outgrew his anger. Kinda reminds me of you, Arthur.
You know, I don't think I've ever seen you squeal before, Dutch.
I weren't the one squealing.
Yeah, well, you weren't in the water with him. And this poor boy was nearly dinner. Can we get some help? Jules been bitten.
Oh my God.
There's a monster out here. He's been bitten, but he's alive. Just keep him warm. Feed him garlic for the infection. Thank you. Both of you. I'm at your service anytime you need.
Thank you, Thomas. Where can we find you?
You just meet me back here.
Very good.
Can one of you help me put the boat back out?
Sure. I'm gonna head back to camp and placate the irritable Miss O'Shea, who's causing more trouble. I'll collect the boys. Meet you back here, Arthur.
Mr. Arthur? Old Brunty. A bad man. I know. Killed some good folks. Hurt a lot of people. But he definitely lacks a certain charm. I'll see you soon. You be safe. We got monsters out here. Well.
Eh bah, sacré frayeur hein, avec ce gigantesque alligator.
Please, help!
I need a doctor. You gotta. You gotta. Please.
Tu crois vraiment que je peux t'emmener chez le médecin? Putain, je suis le mec le plus recherché.
Do something.
Oui, je vais faire quelque chose. Regarde ce que je vais faire. Le mec le plus recherché de la ville. crois vraiment que je peux aller dans cette ville, moi? Sérieux? J'ai une prime de 215 $, il faut que j'aille dans une ville pour... Oh là là, sérieusement. Bon, en réalité, les gars, j'avais juste la flemme d'aller l'amener dans le centre hospitalier. Je vais absolument avancer dans le scénario. Sérieusement, quoi, il s'est pris pour qui, lui?
What's Tahiti like anyhow?
Arthur, there you are. Come on. Thomas, let's get going.
Right you are.
Hey, Bill, you were a sharpshooter in the cavalry, weren't you?
What?
When we get there, maybe you could help with the suppression fire.
I never said I was no sharpshooter.
Oh, that's right. What was it? The nation's most loyal latrine digger, wasn't that it?
Yeah, well, I fought, and I fought well.
So you always tell
You
us.
taught me something you could do with learning. Them Indians were savages.
Watch him out there, boy. Watch it. Only type of savage in these parts are moonshine, swilling, pompous, inbred locals.
Dutch, I saw things out there.
I don't doubt you saw things, Bill, but your tiny little mind was too small to comprehend what you saw. What you saw was people who lost everything to savagery. Savagery of peasants. Failures come from Europe to reap some awful vengeance on God's last creation.
Interesting way you boys gotta prepare for a killing.
I'm sorry I wasted my life trying to teach you boys. Love you though, I do.
Well, leaving love aside, you think we got this?
Don't you never leave love aside, Arthur. It's all we got.
Waouh, le crocodile. Magnifique. Magnifique la mise en scène, j'adore.
Now you pick us up yonder.
I got you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Come on, quick. Stay quiet.
On reste furtif.
You're with me. Arthur, John, you take the left side. If you see a shot, you take it. Okay? Good luck, gentlemen. Arthur, let's go.
Let's go.
J'ai dégainé les couteaux de lancer.
You see those two? Stay out of sight. You got a shot on him?
Something creepy about these statues. You don't like making
You taking them or me?
It's like something at you when they're not. I'll get rid of them. Bring it up with
Guess it's me then.
We'd love to hear it.
Je pensais qu'on pouvait y aller en furtif, donc j'ai pas compris en fait ce qu'il voulait. En fait, il voulait vraiment que je tire à l'arme à feu, John. Je sais pas. Oh là là. Oh mais ils sont deux. Oh mais attends, mais ils sont beaucoup plus nombreux que ce que je pensais en fait.
This is not over yet. Head to the house. Shoot that lock, Arthur. Good. Now kick that damn door in. Look out. Goodbye.
Got a hit.
Oh là là. Mal lui. encore en bas, fichier. Allez à l'étage. Oh, alors toi. Oh là là. On se croyait sur GTA 4 les nuits.
Keep that door covered. Bronte must be up there.
Putain de manoir. Wow. Non. J'ai vu toute ma vie les gars. Oh je suis trop nul. Bon les gars. C'est parce que je suis manette là. Je vais prendre la souris et je vais même m'en sortir, vous allez voir. Oh l'idiot. Ah, le mec.
Okay, I'm sorry, friend. No, name your price. Name your price. Every man have a price. Okay. No, I surrender.
Should we kill him? Nah, let's take him to Dutch. You can carry him. I ain't touching that piece of shit.
D'abord le fouiller. Oui, il y a une petite glace de 30, 20. Waouh. Oh les gars, je l'ai fouillé, il y avait 155 $. Il y avait 155 $ sur lui. Oh les gars, mais tous ceux qui l'ont pas fouillé, mais... Oh là là, bah j'ai trouvé un truc, les gars, fouillé Angelo Bronte dans cette mission. En plus, il donne 155 $ plus une montre goussée en platine. Oh, fouillez-le les gars. Oh, il vous régale Angelo Bronte. La souris là, à un moment, ça va être un peu plus simple. Derrière moi. Ils s'occupent de ceux qui sont derrière ou pas? On occupe, non. Pourquoi pas celui-là? Ah mais derrière il est où? Enlèvement, je vois pas de quoi vous parlez.
Quick, get on your friend on that boat before any more show up. Put him in the front. Bill, you help. Got him? Oh, come on, Lenny. All right, come on. Let's get out of here.
Yep.
Oh, hey, big man. We gonna ransom you or what?
You're pathetic.
Well, I am. Because from where I'm sitting, you're the one deserving of pity, my friend. All your men, all your money, it weren't no match for a bunch of bumpkins.
You are nothing. You do nothing. You mean nothing. You stand for nothing. Me, I run a city. And when the law catch up to you, you will die like nothing. I am this country. You are what people are running from.
I possess things that you will never understand.
You don't even possess your own men. $1,000 to the man who kills him and sets me free.
What are you gonna say now?
They are even bigger fools than you.
No doubt.
The law will find you. Already, the dogs are on the way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're right. You are so right. They are good at smelling filth, huh? So filth has got to be disposed of. Our friends the Pinkertons are gonna come and rescue you, you repulsive little maggot. Call them now. You call them.
part of your philosophy books cover feeding a fella to a goddamn alligator, Dutch.
Part that covers weakness. That part.
I don't know.
Well, I do. It ain't nice. I know it. But it is us or him. I figure it might as well be him.
Sacrément énervé là, le Dutch. Allez bah on a la suite juste ici alors. 310 $. Oh la prime, mais c'est trop là. J'avais déjà 215 $ quand j'avais braqué la station, mais depuis qu'on a tué Bronté et le nombre de filles qui sont ramenées, on est à 310 $. Mais
Gentlemen?
Look, the bank, Karen, Tilly, Abigail, I sent them all. They all say the same thing. There's no more than one armed guard. And the police? It's a city, there are police, but as far as we can tell, the patrols will all be going this way when Abigail and I cause the diversion. That's the opportunity.
What do you think, Arthur?
I don't see we have a lot of choice. We linger around here, we know we're dead.
But the plan.
We got a decent bunch. We know how to fight. The city cops don't seem so tough as long as we move fast. I reckon doing it in the day with a distraction. If that's what Jose is saying, it's as good a plan as any.
I think I agree.
We do it at night. There's the dram of just getting into the bank. Can't do that silently. They'll pick us off far easier.
I know. I'm just making sure.
Every plan is a good plan if we execute it properly. Every problem we had was because we did not execute properly. Even Blackwater, from my understanding.
You're right. Let's rob this bastard. Everyone get some rest. We ride out in the morning. Look smart. Travel light. You got everything, Arthur?
Sure.
So, we rob ourselves a bank, and within 6 weeks we're living life anew in a tropical idyll, spending the last of our days as banana farmers. Let's get out of this godforsaken place and go rob ourselves a bank!
ouais, on est parti hein.
Get moving. We ain't got all day. Oh. This is it, gentlemen. The last one.
Where have we heard that before?
What has happened to you, John? You lost all your heart.
I'm just trying to stay real about all this.
Real? Oh, how I detest that word. So devoid of imagination.
How soon are we shipping out?
Soon as we get a passage organized. Boat down to Argentina, and another around the Cape.
What about the money in Blackwater? We're just gonna leave that behind?
Forget that. It's gone. You all talk like it's the only goddamn money in the world. We're gonna take that and more. Take it from the people who take it from us. This isn't some hick town $100 operation. This is a big city bank.
Right. With security, guards, police.
Hosea has done his reconnaissance. We've been over this. The plan. One last time. Hosea and Abigail draw out the police. We go in calm and fast. John and Lenny secure the front doors. Javier takes the side exit. Bill, Micah, and Charles control the crowd. Me and Arthur deal with the bank manager and vault. Got it?
Got it?
Yep.
Got it.
Good. All right, that's enough talk.
Gentlemen, let us go ahead.
How long do you need?
Not long. 15 minutes or less. You'll know by the noise. Any problems? We'll see you in camp.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Right on!
Yeah!
Everybody know the drill. We head in hard, stay calm. They won't be expecting us. Any minor
trouble, head back to camp. We'll leave in a few days. You good, Bill?
Sure. Then right on with Charles. We don't want to be seen heading in like some posse of country outlaws.
This is it, cowboys! One more time!
One more time.
Let's ride! Yeah! Calmly does it, fellers. Act normal. There's Bill. Let's hitch up here.
Allez.
Gentlemen, robbing thieves, it ain't no crime at all. Folk like this, they stole what this country could have been. Stay cool, fellas. Act natural. Wait for Hosea to do his thing.
This had better work.
Looks like there's law over the other side.
Have a modicum of faith, John, will you please? Soon as we get out, load everything onto the wagon here.
Woo!
Hosea! He is a true artist. Gentlemen. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, this is a hold-up. Don't do nothing stupid.
Parfait.
Who do you think you are? Okay, now then, Arthur,
Allez, ouvre.
please have Senior Bank Manager here open up the vault. Open the vault, come on!
Need the combination for these safes.
Tell him the combination. Come on, speak. Speak or die. Now. First number.
19. Holy shit, they weren't joking.
9, 10.
Got it.
Okay, now, what's the second number?
72.
All right, should be one more number.
Last number. Come on.
54.
You get that, Mr. M? 54.
Yeah. Okay, I'm
C'est bon.
Would you look at that? What did I tell you?
Ah ouais. Ah ouais, là ça rigole pas. Attends, on a pu prendre qu'un coffre? Il y en a 3, on a juste pris le plus gros alors qu'on avait quand même 2 moyens. Un peu chier mais bon. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Il est où le problème?
Think we got a problem out here.
Come out. It's over.
Shit. Abigail.
Dutch, get out here. Get out here now.
Someone must have squealed.
Never should have gone after Bronte, Dutch.
Mr. Milton? Let my friend go. Or folks, they are gonna get shot unnecessarily.
Your friend?
Why would I do that?
Come on, Milton.
It's over. No more bargains, no more deals.
Mr. Milton, this is America. You can always cut a deal.
I've given you enough chances.
Come on!
No!
God damn it! There's your deal, Dutch.
Hosea.
God damn it! Kill those bastards!
Ok, on fait n'importe quoi les gars. Un peu de sang-froid, ça va m'aider un peu.
What? Keep shooting! What are we doing, Dutch? Keep shooting! I need time!
Qu'est-ce que je peux envoyer? Allez, balance ça là. Wouhou!
Arthur! You alive? Just about! Get over here! You got no way out of there! Arthur, where are you? That's how you want to do it?
Je me baisse, on va voir Dutch.
There's no way that we're getting out that door. Take this and blow a hole through that wall. Okay? Find the hole! Everyone back!
Merde.
Let's get up to the roof and call their fire. We'll follow you up.
Merci pour le fusil là, Rivière.
I'll cover the rear. We'll get them out of here. That we will.
Oh là là.
You're gonna move. Move now. Everyone with me.
Oh mais ça. Waouh, attends mais. Ils sont combien?
Where is everybody? What's going on down there?
We lost control of the bank. The others are trying to hold them off.
It's all right.
Allez.
Arthur! We lost John. Killed? Arrested. I couldn't help. Well, we better go. We'll be next. What you think? I reckon me and Lenny try and find a way
Alors,
across the roof. If you'll
Osea qui se fait tuer, John qui est arrêté, c'est un putain de merdier. Allez, j'arrive. Non!
Dutch, you got Lenny.
Non, et maintenant c'est Lenny qui est mort.
Oh, God damn them! We can't stop now, Arthur, or we're all dead. Come on! They can't have gotten far dead in the next few minutes. Follow me, one at a time. Arthur, you go next. Gotta keep moving, quick and quiet. Come on. Careful, there's more law down there.
Allez.
Let's see if we can get to that building. Shit. Looks like they're heavily patrolling around here. Arthur! Arthur! We can get in here! Come on. I don't believe it. They knew we were coming. Just like your ferry job in Blackwater. Ain't nothing like that. What now? I don't know. I don't. This whole town is filled with cops. Well, how long we gonna stay here? A few hours? We go back to camp? They're gonna get every last one of us. I know they're gonna be watching the roads. I got it. A boat. What you mean? We stay here till nightfall. Then we sneak on down to the docks. We get ourselves out of here. Yeah, where? Any place will do. That's all I got. We leave. We lie low. We come back for the rest in a few weeks.
I'm guessing it's that. Or we die out there right now.
Exactly. Now, everybody, calm down. I mean, look at us. Okay, follow me, and keep your heads down. To the boats, come on. I hear voices. Take your time. Everyone stay down.
God damn it. This night just keeps getting better, doesn't it?
Quick, get in cover and stay out of sight.
Looks like they've stopped.
We'll go through the train, Arthur. Come on, rest of you. Follow when it's clear. Someone's coming. Look out on the left. Get down and stay out of sight. Someone's coming. Duck. Duck down between the seats. I hear someone.
C'est ma grosse tête.
Hey, I already checked the trains. You did? No more than a quarter hour ago. Are you sure? Sure. All right.
Shit! Stop, Arthur. Oh, damn it. We're never gonna get past these fellas. Arthur, head over to the water. See if you can draw them out. Draw them out? How? I don't know. Make a noise. Whistle or something.
Did you hear that? Huh. What was that?
Waouh! M'attendez pas à ce mec.
See them? Sure. What you think?
I don't know. They're watching for us.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Well, they ain't just waiting there for no reason.
Yeah. Let me think for a second.
I'll deal with them.
What? How?
I can't kill all of them silently, so when they chase me, you go the other way.
What are you talking about?
You heard what I said.
Oh, I like it. Real brave.
What in the hell? Who is... Excuse me, buddy! Hey, stop! Stop, stop!
That is one of the most beautiful acts I ever saw. Come on.
What now?
Well, at least we got some gold.
Sure. This boat ain't going to Tahiti by any chance.
I don't know. John, Lenny, Hosea, that wasn't good.
I know. So what we gonna do now?
Guess I'm gonna introduce myself to the captain. Give him some of this gold to secure his silence, and find out where we're heading. How do I look?
Like a shifty, no-good killer on the run from the law.
Ain't that the truth? Excuse me, sir.
Hey, who are you?
Forgive me. A stowaway. Can I see the captain, please? I come in peace. Well, it's gonna take a little more gold, but I think we're gonna be okay. This captain, he is a fine fella, a New Englander from the Cape. The rest of the ship is Frenchmen. They're heading down to the islands, taking some Pennsylvania coal. Now, apparently, we're gonna be able to slip ashore in northern Cuba in a couple of days.
That's so.
Apparently.
What are we gonna do in Cuba, Dutch?
Hold up for a while, then hurry back, gather up the rest of our families. At least we got some money now. Money and loyalty. With that, you can do whatever you please.
So you reckon they'll follow us to Cuba?
Like Colonel Waxman on a jolly? I highly doubt it. I reckon we hold ourselves to ourselves, and this is done and dusted.
Let's hope so.
I ain't no sailor, but, that cloud look like good news to you?
Wake up! Everybody! Wake up! Wake up! Come on, Arthur! Arthur! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! I don't know, but we are getting off of this boat. You come on! Would you get a move on, you sleepy bastard?
Please, you go ahead. I'll be right behind you.
I'm okay. You?
Yeah.
This ain't moving.
Yeah, you go on ahead. We'll try and find another way.
Oh,
va s'arrêter là pour ce 16e épisode du let's play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu parce que là franchement cet épisode, il y a eu de nombreux retournements de situation. Moi j'espère qu'il vous aura plu et moi je vous dis à la prochaine.